Morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So this is the panel that we want to open. Now mark settings icon and go to languages and types. Mark manage input languages, choose the one that you wish to apply. We can say with both right now. Go back, and as you can see from now on, you will have two languages available here. Switch them by tapping on this word icon. If you wish to have one language only, just enter the panel again and unmark, not here, sorry, and unmark unnecessary language. And go back, and as you can see, this icon disappears and you've got access to one language only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.